Let's do this shit.
It's the end of the world.
Oh my god. It's full.
Alright, car's full.
Oh hi. What's up, Sky?
Hi.
This is a change of avatar.
Yeah, I haven't used the moontail in a while. It's really cute.
Yeah, it is. Look at that, whatever it is.
Oh my god.
That's the Twister EF5.
Alright, let's go for a ride. Yeah.
Hopefully, actually.
That's that shit from the end of the Twister.
Yeah.
Twisters, or whatever the fuck.
Yeah.
Original one.
Yes.
God damn, that was loud. Oh god, I'm getting blown around. Oh god.
Oh, I think we are getting picked up. Please.
It's a sky daddy!
Kind of.
Really big. Oh, if you go up on this one hill, there's like secret ones. Yes.
It's literally not letting me move.
Oh, we gonna drown. You see that?
We've lost a number of people.
Oh. Hey Sky, you might want to get in.
Why?
I think it might be too late. Oh.
It is.
For what?
We're dead.
Whee!
Do y'all know how to swim?
Yeah,
Yes.
that was the most disappointing swim ever.
It... I think I'm drowning.
I'm not very good at this. Oh, I'm definitely drowning. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Goodbye, world. Goodbye.
Everything's getting so blurry.
Oh. I'm gonna die again. I'm gonna die again.
It was Ren. That was Ren.
Fucking hell, Red. You made an entrance.
I fucking ran you over hard.
I still have that.
No, there was
thing.
a transformer.
You ran her over.
In the middle of the street.
Fallen.
Wow.
Robots in disguise.
Take my thing.